Ever since I cleaned my house with this method, money has been flowing to me from all directions. Joe Vitale. I started using this method at home, and then money began to flow in an astonishing way. Why? Because everything is energy. When you cleanse the energy of all objects and rooms in your home with the elements I'm about to explain, you automatically clear the pathway. When you clear the pathway, because many times you might say, I work hard but I don't have money coming in. Money isn't coming to me, or I can't find a job, etc. There's a physical aspect, concepts about money that you need to learn. Obviously, those skills will help you earn more money. But there's also a metaphysical part, a part that most people overlook and aren't working on, which is 90%, in other words, the most important part. If the energies around you don't support you, then they're working against you. It's either harmony or discord, abundance or scarcity thinking. Thinking about scarcity and abundance at the same time, I feel like sharing some rituals that have been very important in my journey, especially in the beginning. That's why I want to share these ideas with you. Recognizing how crucial it is to keep a clean home, I want to tell you about 3 rituals that can really help bring more abundance into your life. Each ritual has its own purpose. One shields you from negative energies so they can't disrupt your life. Another works like a magnet, attracting good things and blocking out the bad stuff. The third ritual, perhaps the most important, enhances all the positive aspects of your life, turning you into a channel that attracts abundance. As we go through these practices, I'll share a secret that could change your thinking and help you bring in even more abundance and success. So stick with me until the end, grab a pen and paper, because writing things down helps you remember. It becomes a part of you. I truly believe our purpose in life is to excel in every way. With each passing year, we understand more about the fundamental principles that govern our world. Don't think that getting older means things have to get worse. I believe that with age, we get better at handling life's challenges. Forget the idea that as you age, you decline. The goal should be to continue improving. Looking back, we see a truth that keeps repeating. Many people make mistakes in their choices. Following what most people say or do can inadvertently lead you to end up like them. Poor, sick, and lonely. Almost everyone faces this fate. It's not a good fate, so it's better to avoid it and keep it in mind. Now let's talk about principles so you can clean your home, remove all the negative energies in your home, and align yourself with positive energies to attract abundance. The first thing you need to do to clean your home is to clean the floor. These are 2 very simple elements that you probably already have at home. And if not, they're very economical. That is to say, everyone watching this video, even if you currently have economic problems, the first thing I want to teach you is that poverty and economic difficulties are temporary. It's something happening to you now, but it's not eternal unless you stay anchored there or live there. When you start complaining, complaining turns into poverty. Gratitude is wealth. Remember this, because where attention goes, energy flows, and that's what you become. Master Saint Germain said, when you complain, you're focusing on the good or the bad in life. Not good. So what do you attract? The good or the bad in life? The bad. It's a vicious circle, because when you have the bad, you keep complaining. You focus on the bad, you attract more bad, and the bad keeps getting bigger. So you have to break that pattern. We have to force ourselves to be positive and optimistic. Let me introduce you to something called reverse paranoia. Think about a regular paranoid person, always thinking bad things will happen, seeing danger everywhere, believing bad luck is around every corner. Now, a reverse paranoid is the opposite. They think everything is good, see the world as a positive place, and believe good things will happen. Becoming a reverse paranoid is a real change. I know some people might not like this idea, but think about it. Why would someone want bad things for you? I just want you to do well and be happy. I've faced tough times myself, so I understand how hard life can be. I'm here to help you thrive. When life gets tough, don't just wait for things to get better. Learn to find joy even in tough times. It's like dancing in the rain. Changing your mindset is key. Instead of focusing on what you lack, focus on what you have now. This cleansing ritual will help you with all of this, and you only need 2 elements. So what do you have to do? Imagine taking a mop bucket, and in that mop bucket, you should pour hot water, add a splash of vinegar, and a handful of sea salt. Both of these elements are air purifiers. So what do you have to do? You have to mop from inside the house to the outside. Why? If you mop from inside, from the door inward, you are putting all those energies inside. What we want to do is bring them out. So what do you have to do? You must always mop from the highest floors to the lowest floor, and from inside the rooms to the doors outward. Everything ends up going from inside, from the highest floor through all the rooms outward to the final door of the home. That's where we're going to release all the negative energy. What do you have to do? You have to repeat mantras while you are doing this, or rather while you are mopping, you have to repeat a mantra. I propose one, and you can write it down below. My home is a place of energy, peace, and happiness. My home is filled with energy, peace, happiness, and abundance. Just like a mantra, when you repeat these words, you pull out all the negative energy. When you repeat these words, you become an antenna, and everything you touch vibrates with you, and you drag it outward. Next, I will teach you how to connect with positive energies of abundance to attract them into your life. We are antennas and magnets that are attracted by frequency. Now what do you need to do? To attract good vibes and positive energies, take a bucket, fill it with hot water to blend the elements well. You need a lemon and a little cinnamon powder. What you are going to do is cut the lemon in half and sprinkle a few drops, just a few drops. You don't need the entire lemon juice. The lemon will help create that good vibe. Besides being a purifier, it enhances positive energies. Cinnamon, as I've mentioned before, is also a powerful element. While mixing the elements, repeat the abundance affirmations. You can say, I am abundance, or I open myself to the infinite abundance of the universe at this moment, or abundance flows to me in streams of infinite wealth. Choose a mantra that resonates with you emotionally, because emotion is the language of God, the language of the divine matrix that envelopes everything. So back to the ritual. Add a few drops of lemon and a little cinnamon, and that's it. Mix it always clockwise, repeating your chosen mantra. Remember, we are antennas. When you are cleaning, repeat the mantra while moving from top to bottom, from inside to outside. This ritual is for positive energy. It will help attract positive energy into your life. So vinegar and salt for negative energy, and lemon and cinnamon for positive energy. Perform the same ritual while repeating the mantra, not just during the preparation but also when cleaning. Remember, we are antennas, and as you clean, you are connected to that vibration, transforming your home. This simple ritual has a special magic, inviting you to join in with sincerity and faith. It wants you to believe that what you're looking for is already here. As Jesus of Nazareth said, believe you have it and you'll get it. This belief, woven into moments of prayer, connects you to a realm beyond the ordinary. The repetition of a mantra in these moments is like a calm prayer. Sometimes during everyday tasks, ideas come, revelations happen, and answers to life's problems appear. This unspoken conversation with the unseen, in a prayerful state, has a profound effect. But remember, do this ritual with faith. The strength is in what you believe. Echoing Jesus' advice, believe and you'll get it.